This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox game mobile-friendly. First, consider your target audience and their devices. Design your user interface to be intuitive for touchscreens, ensuring all interactive elements are easily accessible. Optimize your game's performance for a smooth experience on lower-end mobile devices, aiming for a consistent frame rate of at least 30 frames per second. This foundational work is crucial for reaching a broad player base and providing an enjoyable experience on the go. When designing for touchscreens, prioritize larger buttons and interactive elements, making them easy to tap with a finger, ideally at least 48 by 48 pixels. Implement virtual joysticks or on-screen controls for seamless character movement and camera manipulation. Crucially, ensure all text is legible on smaller screens without requiring players to zoom in, maintaining a minimum font size of 18 points for key information. Thoughtful UI/UX is key to player engagement. To boost mobile performance, significantly reduce the number of parts and complex models in your game, aiming for under 10,000 parts for optimal results. Utilize efficient scripting practices, minimizing unnecessary loops and calculations to prevent lag. Implement level of detail, or LOD, for distant objects, rendering simpler versions when they are far away. These optimizations are vital for maintaining a smooth experience, especially on devices with limited processing power and memory. Finally, thoroughly test your game on various mobile devices, including both iOS and Android, to catch any platform-specific issues. Gather feedback from a diverse group of players to identify areas for improvement in both gameplay and performance. Once satisfied, publish your game on Roblox and actively promote it to reach a wider audience. A well-tested and optimized game will attract and retain many more mobile players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.